That's not the... That's why. That's why this isn't working. So I've got a couple problems on my server right now, and I'm just figuring my way through them. I love this game. Only reason I have success is because I actually love this game, dude. And if you don't love it, you ain't gonna make it. I promise you. You ain't gonna make it if you don't love it. If you don't love it, you ain't gonna make it. String integer indices must be integers. See, I'm stuck right now, dude. I'm stuck. It's okay. So we got AI, my guy. We can figure it out. String indices must be integers. That's the error I'm coming into, dude. I know what I can do. Let's go over here and statarb hyperliquid, and we can just look at it together. We'll use AI as needed to walk us through this. So if I run this from here, let's go ahead and run it from here, my dear, because it's trying to enter right now, but I'm getting this error. Licks are over threshold of 200. I mean, that's not the real number, but... Placing opening order. So I just need to find where it says that. You're going to see it's going to place orders here and then get an error. Entry pairs, public.